this is Miss Chesser here with your weekly math video. Today we're talking about an unknown quantity. Ooh. Let's look first at our problem. Sarah had 27 pieces of candy. She gave some to her brother. She has 14 pieces left. How many did she give her brother? So far, when we've been setting up our math problems, we've just done like 12 plus 27 equals, or 14 minus 8 equals. But today, we're jumping into a different kind of problem. So let's look at our information. We know that Sarah had 27 pieces of candy. And then our problem tells us that she gave some to her brother. Now, if she gave them to her brother, we know that we're going to take those away. But do we know how many? No, we don't, because it says she gave some. So that's where our unknown quantity comes in. And then we know that she has 14 pieces left. So she had 27, she gave some to her brother, and now she has 14. There are a couple of different ways that we could go about this problem. I'm actually going to move my problem up here. 27 minus, I don't know, equals 14. Now, we've talked about how addition and subtraction are related because addition is the putting together and subtraction is the taking away. So one thing that I can do is I can start with the 14 pieces that she has left on a number line. So I'm going to start here. Here are the 14 pieces that she has left. And then I can count up to the 27 that she started with and figure out how many is in between. And that's going to give us our unknown quantity. So let's take a look at that. Now, I could jump by ones, but that's going to take a long time. And I know, because I know about place value and tens and ones, I know that if I put another 10 with 14, that's going to get me all the way to 24. And so I'm going to put here that was a jump of 10, or I added 10 there. Now I've just got to get from 24 to 27. So I'm going to say 25, 26, 27. And that puts me at the number of pieces of candy that Sarah started with. So this was a jump of 10. And then I had some jumps of 1, 2, I had 3 of them actually. So that was a plus 3. Now I just put these two amounts together to figure out my unknown quantity, or how much candy she gave away. She gave away 10 pieces and 3 pieces, and I know that 10 and 3 is 13. So, how many did she give her brother? She gave him 13. So, our problem would be 27 take away 13 equals 14. I'm going to show you one more strategy for solving that problem besides number line. Let's look at making a model of our number. And again, I'm going to start with what she was left with and count up to, or add up until I get to 27, which is what she started with. And then I figure out what I added, and that gives us our unknown quantity. So let's model 14. Let's model those 14 pieces of candy. I'm going to do it with tens and ones. So there's a 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay, so now I'm going to add to that until I get to 27. All right, if I've got 4 ones, I see that 27 has 7 ones. So how many ones do I need in all? I need 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is what I just drew. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of set that apart, circle it, so I know that was what I just put with it. So that gave me my 7. Now I've got to get from the 10 and 14 to 20, and from 10 to 20 is just another 10. So I put with my number a 10 and a 3, which makes 13. So 27, we took away 13, and that's the 14. So how many did she give her brother? She gave her brother 13 pieces of candy. Sarah, I'm with you. If I was giving my candy away, I would give my brother 13 and I would keep 14 for myself. Thanks for joining me.